Hello, and we're at SeaWorld today. All right, we're actually here an hour before it closes because we are staying at the Fairfield Inn Suites across the street. And so we decided to come see the fireworks and the new drone show they have. So it's called Spectacular Summer Fireworks Show, along with a new drone show as well. Oh, Emma wants to see a walrus. I will say that dolphins are out in the front, and I think the stingrays, and then I don't know if they closed the turtle track, but when you come an hour before closing, even the shark area starts closing down because of the staff. So I wouldn't, if you have kids that really want to see animals right now, I wouldn't come this late. But we are here for the drone show and the fireworks show. So let's go pick out our spot right now. I feel like we're kind of in a good spot.
Yeah.
If we went over here.
He's coming up right there, see him? Oh, look at him. Say hi, dolphin.
Hello and welcome to Dolphin Nursery. Just a reminder for my friends that are viewing our dolphins to make sure for any of our acrylic that we refrain from tapping, knocking, or banging against that acrylic. Once again, please do not tap, knock, or bang against that acrylic. That sounds like a dolphin.
Look, another one. Hi, dolphin.
If we're reaching around the shoreline, you'll make sure your friends are leaning on or over any of our barriers.
Good job. Hi, dolphins. There's 3 of them. 4 of them. There's 4.
All right, we're starting to see the drones. And then it was crazy because the one at Disney, like we could see the lights and we're like, oh my God, there's like 20. And then the show started and they all lit up at once. They were all there. You just couldn't see them all.
What are they doing now?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Emma, do you see?
Can you see?
Can you see Papa?
We'll back up a little bit.
Oh wow, look at that.
This is crazy. So many. Yeah. It's a dolphin. That's a dolphin. Yeah, I think that's an orca. An octopus, look! Can he see? Yes, yes, yeah.
I don't know. It's all gone. That's
It's a wave. Oh, Nia. Yeah. Good job, Baba. Jellyfish. Ooh, look, a stingray.
Jellyfish are on by Bubba. We'll do it again, maybe. It's okay. You saw the jellyfish, Bubba. Come here. Come sit with Daddy. Come here. I'll give you. Come here. Lean forward. Sit at the table, okay? There. Daddy, sit at the table.
You like it? Let's see. I don't know yet. You have to wait.
We're gonna find out.
Ooh.
You tell me what's that?
Looks like a whale. Oh, say bye-bye, drones.
Oh, they're going 2 more hours. Good job, my brother. That was so nice.
dangerous.
That's how I like my fireworks.
All right, we're back at home, but we really liked that drone show. That was really nice. It was a little quick. I think it was like a total of 6 minutes of footage. So don't walk away and try to come back. Just stay put, because you might miss it. We were able to see fireworks from the hotel. We stayed at the Fairfield, and I have a separate video for that. And we in the pool area, we were able to see the fireworks. But we lost track of time, and the drones happened before the fireworks, so we didn't notice if you can see the drones from there. I feel like you could, but you might not be able to tell what they were, but we're not sure. But yeah, and then that explosion at the end, like all the fire, I'm like, was that supposed to happen? So I might have to try again and see if that, because even Emmett, you know, my son is autistic and he has limited wording. And even he just out of the blue just said explosion. And it's like, yeah, that was an explosion. To have a mushroom cloud, like, that was a lot. I'm sure the people in the front row got nice and toasty watching it. So again, we did watch it from closer to the entrance. There is a whole stadium on the other side, and so the music and the fireworks were like queued up to the dancers on the stage. So sometimes there was like weird pauses in between, but that's because we weren't watching the show. So definitely I have to go back and film that show and see it from the stadium side. I'm also curious to see how the drones looked on that side, because for us it was perfect. So I don't know if it would look perfect on the other side. I'm assuming so, because that's the whole point. But I really love the drone show there, and I'm happy to see that it is back in the parks. SeaWorld didn't have it before, but Disney tested out last summer at Disney Springs, which I don't think was the best idea, because Disney Springs is limited capacity. And so we only saw it once because of how crowded Disney Springs can get. And they were only showing them like on the weekends, which is even busier. But it was amazing. I mean, hands down, amazing. So I'm really hoping to see, hopefully maybe holiday season, we get, or even the specialty parties, that we might get Disney drones back. But for now, we got SeaWorld. So it was really nice. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. My name is Stephanie, and thank you for being a part of my world.